Hello everyone, it's Trisha with Sparkle Farts Paper Crafts. Today I want to do a flip through of my latest journal. This is Bohemian inspired using kits from Wild Rose Bohemian. This uses the Sorry Dreams, some tarot, Bohemian Dreams, and Sovereign Photos kits, as well as fabrics. I got also some jelly prints of my own. We've got this patchwork fabric cover, some vintage doilies, and some trims. I'm really in love with this patchwork Kantha fabric. This one has 3 signatures. She is a chunky girl, and I have had so much fun putting her together. So we're gonna open it up, and we start with a side pocket with a tuck here, with a plethora of journal cards. I love the colors in this bright and cheerful. We've got a few little dangles on some of the page edging, using some scrapbook paper that I've had in my stash for years, some washi tape I've been hanging on to, some printed fabrics, like really combining a whole bunch of different textures and products. And we open this little flip, and we've got some little Polaroid, almost like specimen cards, but Polaroid photo cards in here that I think are super precious. So that will fold up. Some old book pages, children's book pages, a number of flips and tags here. I just love the ladies on these that came with this kit. Now this isn't listed yet in our Ko-fi shop, but it will be shortly. I mainly just wanted to come on and show you what I've been working on and get into these bright, cheerful colors and kind of out of the winter doldrums. I was really craving to do something that wasn't Christmas or winter related. So I've included a couple of paper bags, used some different trims. I found this lovely trim at a flea market in, where was I? In Georgia. Some fun pockets here, some more lovely ladies, and some gel prints added in. We've added this beautiful lace pocket. We've got some envelopes and tags in here, and some more gel prints, fabric flip for more journaling space. There's journaling space. I've left pages open, but there's little journaling spaces in every one of these pockets, and the envelopes are empty for you to add your own notes in. I've got some beautiful dyed papers from Debbie Epps included in here as well. This was so much fun. We've got file folders in with these belly bands. Some more of that printed fabric that's just printed on some muslin that I had. It's a digital printed on muslin. If you want to know how to do that, Margaret at Seven Plaza did a great video on how to achieve that. Another fun belly band using some jelly prints and some of the film strip photos. Flips and some old Michael's scrapbook paper that I've had for probably 10 years. And vintage music sheets. I mean, look at these colors and images. They're just stunning. Some more vintage trims and a few flip outs. These fun cookie treat bags. And I love that she's back here. I love all these bohemian hippie pictures in here. And got some little dangles. These images are just so beautiful. I really love the combination of colors. And what I do love about Wild Rose Bohemian is that so many of her kits fit together. So you can really mix and match to make it your own, but everything feels cohesive but you still get that eclectic mix of prints and patterns. This is another one of the Wild Rose Bohemian digitals that I printed on muslin fabric. And And this is the third and final signature. This journal card is one of my favorites. Look at this image with that eye, like she's staring through my soul. And I love these images from the Sovereign photos and in the Bohemian Dreams kit are so fun, and a myriad of black and whites to multicolored, but I'm really loving this whole boho vibe, and takes me back to that bygone era of hippies and peace, which we need more of. More envelopes tucked in these little cookie treat bags. I lined the inside of these cookie treat bags and then glued the edge shut so that would stay in place. And then you've got this second little pocket where the cards can easily slide in and out. There's honestly quite a bit of room in here if there was anything else you wanted to tuck in, like secret little notes as well. So this fun trim. And I love that she's included some of the mushrooms. And I just really love how these papers also coordinated really well with these old Bohemian paper packs I had from Michaels. Anyway, such a fun project to put together. And I can't wait to hear what you think. And be watching soon for this in our coffee shop. And what themes would you like to see a journal done in? The next one up for me is like a Celtic Scotland and Ireland vibe, using some of Hither and Yon's current project, but combining a couple of other kits as well, not just that one. So stay tuned and let me know what theme you'd like to see. Make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button to follow Sparkle Farts Paper Crafts. The link to our Ko-fi shop is below. You'll see Paula's beautiful cards, a few of my journals, and we have a 10-page freebie of scanned vintage documents to say thank you for following. We'll see you in the next video.